PC gaming. It's the best way to play, right? But it can be expensive. Super high-end graphics cards, fancy RGB everything. It adds up fast. What if you only have $500? Can you even build a gaming PC? The answer is yes. It takes some smart choices though. We need to find the best parts for the money. No wasting cash on flashy extras, every dollar counts. This isn't easy, but it's totally possible. In this adventure, we're gonna build a gaming PC. And not just any PC, a $500 one. We'll walk through every step, picking parts, putting it together, and then, the fun part. Gaming. Get ready to see if budget PC gaming is actually good, or if it's a laggy, stuttering mess. Let's do this! Components that work well together and give us the best performance for our money. Alright, parts are here. Time to build this thing. First, let's talk static electricity. It can fry components. We don't want that. Use an anti-static wrist strap and work on a non-carpeted surface. Start by installing the CPU into the motherboard. Be gentle. Line up the arrow and lower it carefully. Next, secure the cooler. Now insert the RAM sticks into their slots. Click, click, done. Next, mount the motherboard into the case. Now install the graphics card into the PCIe slot. Time for storage. Connect the SSD to the motherboard and secure it in the case. Almost there. Install the power supply and connect all the cables. This part can be a bit messy, but just take your time. Finally, connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Moment of truth. Hit the power button. Did it boot up? Awesome. Now install the operating system and drivers. Our budget gaming PC is alive. Section 4. Game on. Putting our budget build to the test. Alright, enough with the building, let's game. We've loaded up some popular titles to see what this $500 PC can do. First up, Fortnite. It's a demanding game, but our build handles it surprisingly well. At 1080p resolution and medium settings, we're getting a smooth 60 frames per second. No lag, no stuttering, just pure battle royale goodness. Next, let's try something a bit more graphically intensive. Red Dead Redemption 2. We had to lower the settings to medium-low to maintain a playable frame rate, but the game still looks stunning. The open world, the characters, everything looks great. Our budget build is holding its own. We also tested CSGO, Valorant, and GTA V. All ran smoothly with decent settings. Our $500 PC can handle most esports titles with ease, and even some AAA games with a few compromises. Section 5. Can you really game on a $500 PC? So after all that, can you actually game on a $500 PC? The answer is a resounding yes. Sure, you won't be playing Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings, but that's not the point. This build proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy PC gaming. We were able to play a variety of games smoothly at 1080p resolution. That's pretty impressive for a budget build. Of course, there are some limitations. Don't expect to run every game at max settings, and you might need to upgrade some components in the future to keep up with newer games. But for casual gamers or those on a tight budget, this $500 PC is a great starting point. It's a gateway into the world of PC gaming, offering a significant upgrade over consoles in terms of performance and visual fidelity. Section 6. Future upgrades, squeezing out more performance. The best part about building your own PC is that you can always upgrade it later. If you want more performance out of your $500 build, there are a few things you can do. First, consider upgrading the graphics card. A more powerful GPU will significantly improve your gaming experience, allowing you to crank up the settings and enjoy smoother frame rates. Adding more RAM is another great way to boost performance. 16 GB is becoming the new standard for gaming, especially for demanding titles. You can find affordable 2x8 GB kits that are compatible with your motherboard. Upgrading to a larger SSD or adding a hard drive for extra storage are also viable options. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even overclock your CPU and GPU for a free performance boost. Remember, upgrading your PC is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to do everything at once. Start with the component that will give you the biggest performance gain for your budget. 4. Start planning your own budget build today.